Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is we're just going to do a fun little program which pops out numbers from an array. So not an array, a list, sorry. So we've got my numbers here and I've added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Also we've created a password variable here and assigned it to admin123, which is the password. Before you do this though, you have to import password input. You'll have to install it on your system as well through pip. Okay, so we write a function called correct password here. So this is the function correct password, and we do a while loop and we're going to call it my numbers. So while my numbers, then we assign password here to password input dot password input, type prompt and a password, and type mask and asterisks here. So basically this is the input box and it will ask you for your password, and when you type it in it will mask it with these asterisks. Now we come on to the conditional. So if the password is equal to the password up here, if it's correct, we're going to go on to another function called congrats, which is down here. So it'll send us down here to this function congrats, which will print off a message: you entered the correct password, and then it will quit the program. Or else, if that's not the case, it's going to do my numbers here and it's going to pop and it's going to print incorrect password, a number has been removed. So if we type in the incorrect password, it will remove a number, and then it will print the remaining numbers left in the list. So let's give it a run through. Let's open it up. Let's type in the wrong password. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, random password. Okay, so incorrect password, a number has been removed. So for every incorrect password, we remove a number from the list. So let's do another one. And another one. And another one. And another one. There we go. Incorrect password, a number has been removed. Remaining numbers is basically 0. All numbers have been deleted. Okay, let's run this program again. Okay, let's type in the correct password this time. Okay, so this is admin123. Hit enter. You entered the correct password. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.